Today, I'd like to introduce General Electric. You may have heard of them before. They've been around since 1892, thanks to the famous inventor Thomas Edison. Nowadays, General Electric is led by a guy named Larry Culp. Under his guidance, General Electric has been making some big changes. They're focusing on more important areas, such as airplanes, healthcare, and renewable energy. Even though they faced some challenges in the past, General Electric is a leader in making airplane parts with GE Aviation. They've also done some really cool stuff in the hospitals with GE Healthcare, and they're helping the environment with their work in renewable energy. Looking ahead, GE is all about growing even more. They're really good at coming up with new ideas, working efficiently, and teaming up with really good companies that are also very, very smart.
The history, development, and growth of General Electric. In 1892, General Electric began its ascent as an American conglomerate, notably by acquiring the assets of the Edison General Electric Company. This incorporation of General Electric kick-started their ability to become the producers of one of the largest lines of electrical, industrial, and consumer goods worldwide. An example of those products being the first ever hermetically sealed refrigerator, launched in 1925, and other examples being the first X-ray machine, the first home television, and commercial jet engines. Skipping forward a few years, General Electric and the company chairman and CEO during the 1970s, Reginald Jones, started to lead support for minority engineering. Throughout the 70s, the GE Foundation, formerly known as the GE Education Fund, provided grants to strengthen academics in historically black engineering schools. These grants go on to help form the National Action Council for Minorities in Engineering. Along with the growing social impact that General Electric is striving for, they continue to do what they do best, which is to innovate. Throughout the entire history of the company, General Electric has produced for industrial and everyday consumers, and as of last year, 2023, they have completed an entire spin-off company for their healthcare production, GE Healthcare, along with aerospace and renewable energy spin-offs, allowing the corporation better market capitalization. Mission and major goals. General Electric's overall mission statement is as follows. We dare to imagine a bolder, brighter tomorrow and vow to build a world that works for everyone. That promise continues at GE Aerospace, GE Vernova, and GE Healthcare as standalone public companies. As of 2024, General Electric has been restructured into those three independent companies, GE Aerospace, GE Vernova, and GE Healthcare. Each of these companies has its own mission statement. GE Aerospace. Their mission is to invent the future of flight, lift people up, and bring them home safely. GE Vernova. Their mission is to deliver a more affordable, reliable, sustainable, and secure energy future. GE Healthcare. Their mission is to provide integrated solutions, services, and data analytics to make hospitals more efficient, clinics more effective, therapies more precise, and patients happier and healthier. General Electric's major goal is to have continued financial growth and to keep a strong commitment to innovation across its independent companies. General Electric's slogan, used back from 1979 to 2003, was "We bring good things to life." This slogan brought a lot of popularity to the company and was designed to show the diversity of the products and the services that the company offered. In 2003, the company changed its slogan to "Imagination at Work." This is still the current slogan used, and it shows the company's commitment to innovation and creativity. The CEO. As of late 2018, General Electric's Chief Executive Officer is H. Lawrence Culp Jr., alongside being a chairman of the spin-off company GE Aerospace. Before his time at General Electric, Culp Jr. served as the CEO of the Danaher Corporation from 2000 to 2014, and Danaher increased its revenue and market capitalization significantly during this time. In April of 2018, Culp Jr. joined the board of directors for General Electric and was later appointed CEO in October of the same year. Going forward to June 2022, Culp Jr. has also been appointed the Chief Executive Officer of GE Aerospace and continued to serve as chairman and the CEO of GE and GE Aerospace until the completion of General Electric Vernova in April of 2024. Now at present, he is solely the CEO of GE Aerospace. Throughout the time of his leadership, H. Lawrence Culp Jr. has brought a focus on customer value and advocated for quality, cost, safety, and delivery alongside increasing operational visibility. GE had a total of gross debt reduction of $100 billion through 2023 under his leadership, and the company's portfolio was also transformed through major sales such as the sale of General Electric Capital Aviation Services and the completion of GE Transportation and the ensuing merger with Wabtec. Due to his performance throughout his career, H. Lawrence Culp Jr. has been consistently ranked one of the top CEOs in investor surveys, with Barron's naming him top 25 CEOs in the world 4 times since 2020, and Harvard Business Review naming him as one of the top 50 in the world.
External analysis. General Electric has significant growth opportunities in various external factors. Emerging markets, particularly in Asia and Africa, offer promising expansion prospects for the products and services. The increasing global emphasis on renewable energy presents opportunities for the wind and solar energy businesses to capitalize on the transition towards sustainable energy sources. Moreover, advancements in healthcare technology and rising healthcare expenditures due to aging populations create opportunities for the healthcare segment to innovate and expand its offerings. Collaborations and partnerships with technology companies could also drive digital transformation initiatives within. GE faces several external threats that could impact on its operations and competitive position. Global competition is intense across all business sectors, with established players and emerging disruptors for market share. Changing environments, particularly in the energy and healthcare sectors, can pose compliance challenges and impact business strategies. Rapid technological advancements and disruptions can necessitate ongoing investments to remain competitive and relevant in the market. Additionally, macroeconomic factors such as interest rates, currency fluctuations, and political tensions can affect financial performance and strategic decision-making. Within the aviation industry, the benefit from increasing global air travel demand and the industry's focus on fuel efficiency and sustainability. The aviation segment, including its aircraft engines and services, is well positioned to capitalize on these trends and drive growth. The healthcare industry presents opportunities for healthcare equipment and services, driven by demographic shifts such as aging populations and increased healthcare spending globally. Healthcare's innovative solutions cater to diagnostic imaging, healthcare, and life sciences, aligning with the evolving needs of the healthcare sector. As the world transitions towards cleaner energy sources, the renewable energy segment stands to benefit from the growing demand for wind and solar power solutions. Renewable energy offers a range of products and services, including wind turbines, hydroelectric power solutions, grid solutions, and contributing to sustainability of aviation.
This is the internal analysis for GE. General Electric has a strong and diverse portfolio covering aviation, healthcare, renewable energy, and power systems. This mix of industry helps them generate revenue from various sources and reduce the risk of relying too heavily on one sector. General Electric is globally recognized as a reputable brand known for innovation and technology expertise. Their significant investments in research and development is evidenced by a sustainable portfolio of patents, showing their commitment to advancement and innovation across their business lines. Despite its strengths, they face certain internal challenges. The company has historically carried a high level of debt, which can constrain financial flexibility and increase borrowing costs. Additionally, certain business units within them have legacy liabilities that require ongoing management and may impact profitability. Furthermore, the conglomerate structure, characterized by its diverse array of business, can sometimes lead to complexity and inefficiencies in operations and decision-making.
Now for corporate strategy. General Electric has a goal to provide sustainable energy to all of its customers. They are continuously improving operations to create better products. By doing this, they are creating a competitive advantage in the industry. When choosing to work with this company, one can be sure they are making a wise decision. Not only does this company provide energy and aviation, they are ensuring a better tomorrow. General Electric has a history of increasing quality along with the mission to do the same in the future. Innovation is crucial to having a well-established brand. General Electric has shown they are more than capable in this area. Some examples of this consist of the X-ray machine, the LED, the MRI, and the onshore wind. Because of these inventions, there have been vast improvements in different industries. The MRI and X-ray machine have significantly changed the medical industry by allowing doctors to better diagnose patients. The LED provides the same light as other alternatives but requires less electricity.
This is the business level strategy for GE. General Electric should prioritize its core competence to drive competitive advantage in each business segment. This involves learning the company's deep technological expertise and a reputation for innovation. They should continue to invest in research and development to develop cutting-edge solutions that address specific customer needs in aviation, healthcare, renewable energy, and power generation. GE should also assess its business portfolio to identify underperforming units that are those not in line with strategic goals. Streamlining the portfolio can help them allocate resources more efficiently towards high-growth areas. This may involve divesting non-core assets and focusing on business where they can achieve market leadership and sustainable profitability. GE should adopt a customer-centric approach across its businesses. Understanding and anticipating customers' needs is crucial for driving product innovation and service excellence. By focusing on enhancing customer value and customer experience, they can strengthen its market position and foster long-term relationships with their clients they have now and in the future. Embracing digital transformation is imperative for them to stay competitive in today's rapidly evolving business landscape. They should continue to invest in digital technologies such as internet, data analytics, AI, optimize operations, improve efficiency, and offer innovative solutions to customers. This digital strategy can also unlock new revenue streams and business models. As the global focus shifts towards sustainability, they should further expand its renewable energy offerings. Investing in clean technologies such as wind, solar, hydroelectric power aligns that, like I said earlier, and position GE as a leader in the transition towards renewability. Energy such as sources. Additionally, they can explore opportunities in energy efficient and grid modernization to support sustainable development. Driving operational excellence is essential for maximizing productivity and reducing costs across operations. Implementing lean management practices, optimizing supply chain efficiency, and enhancing manufacturing process can contribute to improved profitability and competitiveness. GE should force strategy partnerships and alliances to assess new market, technologies, and capabilities. Collaborations with industries leaders and startups can facilitate innovative and accelerate growth in a lot of sectors they could use. By leveraging external expertise and networks, they can enhance its competitiveness and market research. Investing in their talent development and fostering a diverse workforce is critical for their long-term success. They should focus on attracting and retaining the top talent that they have, promoting diversity and inclusion, and cultivating a culture of innovative and continuous learning. They can achieve sustained growth and competitiveness by focusing on core competence, optimizing its business portfolio, adapting a customer-centric approach, embracing digital transformation, promoting sustainable practices, driving operational excellence, fostering strategic partnerships, and nurturing the top talent that they have and they will develop. By executing this comprehensive business level strategy, GE can navigate industries, challenges, and capitalize on the emerging opportunities in its diverse markets.
Global/international approach. Is your company creating value or lowering the cost of value creation by realizing location economies? transferring distinctive competencies abroad, or realizing cost economies from economies of scale? If not, does it have the potential to do so? GE is operating globally, which allows it to take advantage of local or location economies. For example, it can manufacture products where the labor could be cheaper, as well as move its operations closer to key markets to save on transportation. How responsive is your company to differences among nations? Does it vary its product and marketing messages from country to country? Should it? General Electric is highly responsive to differences among nations, tailoring its products and marketing strategies to meet the specific needs and preferences of each market. It adapts to local regulations and standards, ensuring compliances in all its operations. This adaptability is a key factor in GE's global success. Yes, GE does vary its products and marketing message to ensure their products stay relevant and cater to the local market's needs. What are the cost pressures and pressures for local responsiveness in the industry in which your company is based? Cost pressure include rising production costs, infrastructure investments, inflation and supply restrictions. Pressures for local responsiveness include consumer preferences, cultural, administrative, and economic distances. What strategy is your company pursuing to compete globally? In your opinion, is this the correct strategy given cost pressures and pressures for local responsiveness? General Electric competes globally through a differentiation strategy, a global network approach, and by forming 3 public companies: GE Healthcare, GE Vernova, and GE Aerospace. These strategies allow GE to offer unique products, share solutions across markets, and focus on core competencies in each sector. Given the cost pressures and need for local responsiveness in its industries, these strategies seem appropriate and well positioned for success. What major foreign market does your company serve, and what mode has it used to enter this market? General Electric serves in many foreign markets with a main presence in Europe, Asia, and Africa. It has used various modes to enter these markets, like exporting, partnerships, acquisitions, and establishing new subsidiaries. Why is your company active in these markets and not others? What are the advantages and disadvantages of using this mode? Might another mode be preferable? GE chose these markets because they have high growth potential and they are able to leverage their technological and managerial expertise. They chose these markets as well for establishing a strong competitive position and where their products and services are in demand. They also take into consideration the political, environmental, and the business regulations. GE primarily used exporting, partnerships, and establishing new subsidiaries to enter these markets. The advantages of using these modes are low risk, fast entry for exporting, and share cost reduce investments needed for partnerships, and gain local market knowledge for new subsidiaries. I believe these modes are the best approach for entering these markets. What is the global revenue mix, and how does percent of global revenue to total revenue compare to major competitors? In 2023, GE reported total revenues of approximately $68 billion. The company operates in several sectors, with aviation and healthcare being the largest contributors.
Ethics is a big thing for General Electric. Their employees have to follow a set of rules called the Code of Ethics. These rules are about doing what's right, such as following the law, taking care of their customers and employees, respecting suppliers, and making sure shareholders are taken care of. General Electric knows that honesty and fairness is crucial in everything they do. But like all companies, General Electric has faced some challenges. They've had some issues in the past with their accounting, but they are learning from their mistakes and working hard to improve. Now let's talk about how General Electric helps the world. They have something called Corporate Social Responsibility Program, where they give back to communities and protect the environment. General Electric supports charities, community projects. They focus on things like education, healthcare, and environmental conservation. They're also big on protecting honeybees, which are essential to our food supply. General Electric's commitment to environmental sustainability in their community shows that they care more about just profits. General Electric is more than just a company. It's a force for good in the world. By upholding strong ethical values and investing in social responsibility, General Electric is making a positive impact on society and the planet.